Yo, that was intense.
That shit was intense. I can't believe we got it past it.
No lift or nothing. Guys, and welcome back to another vlog. We came off-roading in my friend's $1,500 Subaru that he decided to lift and put wheels on. Thing honestly rides so great. There he is right now. 1,500 bucks, and we've been going through the hardest trails. Trying to do something a little bit different on this channel, so it's good to just see what this car could do. And what, if you guys like this type of content, let me know down below. I'll do more of it. It's so much fun. Go, go, go. Keep on, go, go. Definitely a learning curve because we're basically rookies at this, if you can tell by our cars before. We've never really had anything lifted or off-road, so. That's the clanky noise you heard. That's your exhaust. Good. Keep going. Woo! Oh, oh, oh! This is when we have to actually think and see what we're gonna do. Look, so you're gonna wanna get on this. Straight. Straight. Go, go. It's muddy. It's very muddy. Go, go. Stop. Yeah, you ripped off the front of the thing. Yeah. Wow. Well, we made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was definitely different and good to do something like that. I want to do that more often. Tomorrow we have a trail to do and I'm gonna vlog that. I'm actually gonna go a different route now and just do more scenic still shots and just enjoy the video, more of an entertainment, not so much talking to the camera the whole time. I want to do like a background voice. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that video and see you next time.